Stewart blends sports and sorcery in her latest Harry Potter x PUMA Stewie 4 collaboration, launching July 18 for $130 via PUMA.com. This edition places Stewart and her signature sneaker at the forefront, shifting the spotlight from last year's franchise-heavy approach. With mismatched colorways, PUMA White for Hedwig and green terrain for Nagini, the left and right shoes represent two iconic magical creatures from J.K. Rowling's universe. Golden quidditch-like accents energize the design, along with unique reshaped Formstrips and a special tongue logo crafted for Stewart. PUMA's custom packaging continues the Hogwarts-inspired theme, adding a storytelling layer to the release. The asymmetrical style fuses Stewart's passion for basketball and fantasy, creating a shoe as expressive as it is performance-ready. This latest drop not only honors her love of the wizarding world but also enhances the Stewie 4's place as a bold, mystical, and empowering option for athletes and sneaker fans alike.